Have you ever watched someone incredibly smart make a decision so bad it left you speechless? Maybe it was a brilliant friend who stayed in a relationship that was clearly hurting them. Maybe it was a genius coworker who tanked a project because they refused to listen. Maybe it was you repeating the same mistake loop over and over again. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Intelligence was never designed to protect you from bad decisions. In some cases, it makes them worse. Researchers call this the intelligence trap. Intelligence is your brain's horsepower. It helps you learn fast and spot patterns. But horsepower does not control direction. A powerful engine in the wrong car still crashes. Smart people do not use their intelligence to find the truth first. They use it to defend whatever they already believe. Psychologists call this motivated reasoning. Your brain acts like a lawyer, not a judge. It builds arguments for bad ideas. Studies show the smarter someone is, the better they are at justifying their own errors. That is why intelligent people often stay stuck the longest in bad relationships or jobs. The first culprit is overconfidence. The more competent someone becomes, the more they assume. They assume their competence spreads everywhere else. Real experts say it depends often. People with shallow knowledge speak with total certainty. This is a dangerous trap. The second culprit is speed. Intelligent minds connect the dots fast, which feels like clarity, but speed and accuracy are not the same. This is called cognitive fluency. If a thought comes smoothly, it feels true, but it might just be fast. The third culprit is emotional blind spots. Intelligence measures how well you process information. It says almost nothing about how well you process your own complex emotions. Because smart people are so used to being right, being wrong feels unbearable, so they double down. They invent sophisticated reasons to keep going when the ship sinks. Smarter people are better at convincing themselves to stay on a sinking ship. So what is a real fix? The answer is rationality. Intelligence is raw brain power. Rationality is knowing how and when to use it. Rationality is specifically about using your brain against your own biases. You must learn to ask yourself, what would actually prove me wrong? Next time you feel completely sure about something, pause and take a breath. Ask yourself one question. Am I actually right, or do I just want to be? That one habit can save you from more bad decisions than any amount of intelligence. Intelligence is a tool, but rationality is the hand that guides it correctly. Do not let your brain become a lawyer for your worst impulses. Be the judge of your own thoughts instead of the defender. True wisdom is knowing the limits of your own brilliant mind. Stay curious, stay humble, and always question your own certainty. The trap is real, but you now have the key to escape it. Use your intelligence to challenge your beliefs, not to protect them. The path to better decisions starts with a single moment of doubt. Doubt is not a weakness. It is the beginning of real understanding. When you stop needing to be right, you start being effective. Think clearly, act rationally, and avoid the intelligence trap today. Your brain is capable of so much more than just defending old ideas. Open your mind to the possibility that you might be wrong. It is the most intelligent thing you can possibly do. Most people run from this truth, but you are different. You have the tools to analyze your own thought processes now. Apply this logic to your work, your relationships, and your life. The results will speak for themselves over time. Keep questioning, keep growing, and keep moving forward. The journey of rational thinking is a lifelong pursuit. Never stop refining your ability to judge your own logic. You are the architect of your own mental clarity. Build it strong, build it honest, and build it well. The intelligence trap is only as strong as your ego. Lower your ego and watch your wisdom grow. The world needs more rational thinkers like you. Start today by questioning your most certain belief. See where the evidence leads you, not where you want it to go. That is the secret to avoiding the intelligence trap forever.